In this video, we test tensile strength of shuttering plywood. For the testing of tensile strength, we take this sample. All this sample size comes from IS 1734 part 9. The length of the sample is 405 mm. And the width is 50 mm and the thickness is 12 mm. All the thickness, length, width, all the sample size given in IS 1734 part 9. For the testing of tensile strength of shuttering ply, we take 34 kg shuttering ply. We can also take 34 kg, 45 kg, 55 kg, any shuttering plywood for testing. In this test, we check the loading capacity of the sample. How much load it can bear without any deformation. For this testing, we take the sample and fix with the UTM machine and check how much load it can bear. For the testing, we take two types of sample. One is across the grain and another is along the grain. Here we take along the grain. Now fix this sample with the UTM machine. For the tensile strength testing, we take this jaw and now fix the sample with the machine. Sample should be fixed properly, tightly. Now the sample is fixed with the UTM machine. Now start the machine and off the switch so that load can fall on the middle portion of the sample. Now load can start flowing. Deformation of the sample start. Now sample bending. Starts bending. Sample starts break. Sample break. And our load is 3796. So our sample is passed. Now we take any information in other part of the sample. Sample breaks here. And the final load is 3796 and deformation is 12.6 mm. Now our sample is passed as per BIS.